Come back. We are talking about those important things, those tips and tricks that will make that boyfriend of yours know that you are a very important asset in his life. Number 6, show him how independent you are. Don't be very dependent. Don't over-depend on him for everything: food, airtime, whatever it is, hair, clothing, wardrobe, medication. You are too dependent that you don't even give him breathing space. You depend on him emotionally, you depend on him physically, you depend on him for everything. You can't, even your happiness depends on him. Your feeding depends on him. Your going out, maybe going to friends' partying, depends on him. Your rent depends on him. Your business depends on him. Do not be over-dependent. It's saying to show your boyfriend how independent you are. Yes, you love your man. It doesn't mean you should make him your world. Show him how strong and independent you can be. Show him that you can still do the things you love doing even without him. Travel alone, start a business alone, go to work alone, eat alone, go for a movie alone. Just let him know, I'm out for a movie, I'm going to do this. But show him that you don't depend on him to go for a mere movie, to pay for you for a movie. Seriously. This will make your boyfriend know that he's not your power source, that he's not the only source of energy that powers your life. It will show that you are a human being of sound mind and value, and you can stand on your own. He will admire that. He will always admire to be a part of that. Don't be over-dependent. It's not nice. Number 7, moderate your tolerance. Don't tolerate every BS your boyfriend does. Don't tolerate everything that you don't agree with that he does. For example, if he's the type of boyfriend who will leave his socks all around the house, his shoes, one shoe is in the sitting room, another shoe is in the kitchen, his boxers are in the bathroom, and you don't want it to be that way. If he's the type who flirts and you don't want it to be that way, let him know that you don't tolerate it. If you're the type of person who wants to be pleasing him all the time, even pretend that you tolerate the things you actually don't, you sincerely don't, he will think he's not doing anything wrong. He will think it's okay that he's flirting. He will think it's okay that he has girlfriends. He's free to go around with girlfriends, friends who are girls. He's free to sleep away. He's free to do whatever BS he's doing. He will not even see how important you are, because he thinks he has control over you, over your emotions, because he thinks you don't question him. He is the Almighty. He is the King of your life. He is the controller of your life and soul. Moderate what you tolerate and start now. Show who you actually are. Do not go pretending around this thing. It will cost you in future. Stand your ground. This is you. Things like comparing you to their ex. Things like saying other girls do this. This is you. Know who you are and what you want. Stand your ground. Know when to let him do certain things and know when not to. This is going to let your man see your value and respect you. Number 8, monitor your yeses. If you are the type of yes girlfriend who always gives into whatever he wants, Your boyfriend might be too complacent. He will not take you seriously. Learn to say no when needed. Learn. Number 9. Be a productive girlfriend. Be the girlfriend who gives your boyfriend a reason to stick to you, to value you. Don't be the girlfriend who only plans outings, dates, eating out, going for a party, going for a baby shower, going for a birthday party, going to a club. Those are the only plans that come out of your mouth. You never talk about business. You never empower him about work. You never talk about saving. You never talk about entrepreneurship skills. All you do is to plan about outings, parties. It shows how you are of less value. Be the type of girlfriend who deserves to be given something big, who earns something by just talking to your man, by the advice you give to your man. How valuable is it? How productive is it? Be the type of girlfriend he can't stand to lose. Don't be the type of girlfriend who is only innovative about sex, is only innovative about outings, is only innovative about having a nice physical body. Be the type of girlfriend who is generally innovative, especially about things like money. Number 10, have a clear conscience. Make sure your conscience is clear. Before you make your man even know how valuable you are in his life, make sure your conscience is clear. Make sure you're not doing anything behind his back. Make sure you're not hiding something. Are you the type of girlfriend who is getting money from other men? Are you the type of girlfriend who is guilty, and because of your guilt, because of the things you do, you are making your man less value you? Be the type of girlfriend who doesn't cheat, who doesn't lie, who doesn't steal. If you know your conscience is clear, if you know you are walking the right walk, if you know you are doing the right thing for this relationship, and your conscience is clear, that's when it's time to step up, know your value, and know your worth, and make him realize that you are indeed a valuable asset in his life. You can't be valuable if all you do is cheat. You can't be valuable if all you do is lie. You can't be valuable if when you go to his house you steal his money, you take his wallet, you steal. You are a liar. You act what you are not. You pretend what you are not. You can't be valuable if your man ever realizes that you are these types of girl. So, if you want him to know how valuable you are, earn it. Now, remember, lady, you are strong, you are beautiful, you are worthy to be loved. Never ever allow him or anyone to treat you less. If your boyfriend starts to fail to see how important you are, you have to fix it. You have to do everything in your power. You have to follow these tips I'm giving you to make him realize, to make him wake up to how important you are, to make him realize how an asset you are in his life. If he continues to devalue you, make you feel less of who you are, you now know what to do. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. And if you would like a counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking. To order any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. And follow Faith Peters on Facebook, Faith Peters on Instagram for any of your fashion and design needs. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.